अगर किसी को परफ्यूम लेनी हो क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए?
What time of a day you are going to use the perfume? You can't take a marine note and you can wear in the evening. It will never go up. That is a myth about the perfume in the market. What is your lasting?
कोई है ऐसी परफ्यूम जो 24 घंटे चले? किस तरह से पता चल सकता है कि कौन सी परफ्यूम फेक है और कौन सी ओरिजिनल है?
Well said.
From a humble shop in Dubai's Murshid Bazaar in Dera to the perfume shelves across the world. Wow.
Thank you very much. People have seen our huge factory from one showroom to 165 showroom. Nobody asked me कि इम्तियाज ये सफर कैसा हुआ? आज हम दुबई को ब्रांड समझ रहे हैं. When I used to say कि this product belongs to Dubai, they used to laugh at us. If there is a crowd, no matter even if you have a Rolls Royce, you will be in the crowd. So what you should do, you should buy a small engine which can fly. In my childhood, people used to ask me, who are you? So I used to say, I am Rasasi. I came up with the name called I am Rasasi.
So on this episode of Stories from UAE, I am meeting Mr. Imtiaz Abdul Razak Kalsekar, the man who believes that every scent has a story and every story deserves to be told. इम्तियाज, वंडरफुल टू हैव यू ऑन कर्ली टेल्स। आपका परिवार रत्नागिरी से है, कालसेकर। आपका सरनेम इंटरेस्टिंग है, महाराष्ट्रन सरनेम।
Pure Maharashtra.
You belong to a Konkani Muslim family.
That's right.
Right?
That's
We don't
right.
hear of many Konkani Muslim families too often.
It's Kalsekar for very sure. It's an Maharashtrian surname.
Right.
जैसा कि हम जिसके भी आगे अगर कर देखते हैं,
हाँ जी।
let me take the player's name, Tendulkar,
बिल्कुल।
Gavaskar.
Hmm.
So all the Kar is from the Maharashtrian part. My father, he came in between. There is a village called Rajapur. It's a Ratnagiri is a district, and from the Ratnagiri, little bit far away. I haven't been over there. वहाँ से उन्होंने अपनी journey शुरू करी, and he came in a very early childhood to Bombay. Yes, we are from that part of the region, which is my father, which is called the coastal region. The most touchy part of his story is, you know, it's just like a 9-year boy without having any parents. Like he was an orphan.
Oh.
So मैंने अपने father की जो journey देखा हूँ ना, 9 years से 53 की. And trust me, today I'm sitting with you. So this is a tribute to my father. People have seen our huge factory. People have seen 1,600 people working in my factory. People have seen the showrooms from one showroom to 165 showroom.
Wow.
But nobody asked me कि इम्तियाज ये सफ़र कैसा हुआ? एक ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी मेरे फादर की थी. इन बॉम्बे देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ प्लेस वेयर हम इसे हिंदी में कहते हैं धोबी घाट. आज आप कहते हो वॉशिंग मशीन, प्रीमेटिव में कहते थे धोबी घाट. मेरे वालिद साहब की एक दुकान हुआ करती थी वहाँ पे. बट सी द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. मेरे वालिद साहब ने क्या किया कि उस जगह पे जब काम किया ना, तो फर्स्ट थिंग उन्होंने बोली कि मुझे ट्रेडिंग नहीं करनी है. राइट फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. लेट्स से एक रेडीमेड प्रोडक्ट को लेके आते थे, उसको कट करते थे, उस प्रोडक्ट को वो अपनी पैकिंग में डाल के अपने सील के साथ उस जगह पे बेचते थे. सो ही चेंज द कॉन्सेप्ट. Well, of course, he cannot have a money to make an industry.
Right.
He was not that knowledgeable to go into the chemical industry, but at least he has a knowledge how to make his own client.
Back then, everyone in his circle was flying to Muscat or Kuwait during the oil boom. But destiny had other plans for him, and it brought him to the UAE, where his real journey began.
He tried many times through his friend, please मुझे वीज़ा भेजो. तो उन्होंने वीज़ा दी. तो वो जो 3 टाइम का जो सफ़र था, तो जब लास्ट मेरे फादर जब यहाँ पे पहुँचे, तो उन्होंने एक शायरी की कि जिस कश्ती से आया हूँ उसे तोड़ आया हूँ, जाने वाले हर रास्ते छोड़ आया हूँ. मतलब he made his dedication and he told to my mother कि look, now I will only come back if I am successful. He has 9 children, 6 sons and 3 daughters. और वो आए दुबई में.
Textiles seemed the obvious choice for business, a booming trade between Africa and Dubai. But his father had a different intuition.
My prophet, he loves perfume. So उनको intuition आ गया, start the perfume business. And believe me, without any knowledge, without anything, and he started a very small shop in Murshid Bazaar. अब जब उन्होंने खोली तो वो एक ऐसी वायरल हो गई चीज उस वक्त पे कि वो वायरल होते हुए उनके पैलेस तक ये खबर गई कि there is a person who has started a shop in Murshid Bazaar only with perfume. तो उन्होंने भी क्यूरियोसिटी के लिए अपने यहाँ से किसी को भेजा और कहा कि जाके फाइंड करो
हम्म।
कि ये कौन शख्स है जिसने हमारे दुबई में ये काम किया है. That was my father's turning point. She placed an order for my father. If I'm not wrong with an amount, it was something around 35,000 dirham. It's a huge amount.
And
at
back
that
in
time.
those days,
Back in those
right?
days. Then he traveled all the way to India. There is a place called Kanoj. मेरे वाली साहब कहते थे कि कनौज की ड्रेन में भी खुशबू होती है. That is like something like amber, henna, musk. So these are the basic component which comes from that part of the world. तो मेरे फादर ने वहाँ पे आके रिलेशनशिप की, अपनी प्रॉब्लम को उनको बताया और उस बताने के बाद उनसे माल लिया विद द कंडीशन कि अगर कभी पसंद नहीं आया तो प्लीज एक्सेप्ट मी टू रिटर्न द गुड्स. दे हैव रियली कोऑपरेटेड माई सेल्फ एंड देन ही ब्रॉट द गुड्स हियर एंड देयर कम्स द होल इकोसिस्टम. जो आपने इतनी बड़ी कंपनी को देखा, 1600 एम्प्लॉयज़ को देखा, आपने हमारी रसासी की $1 billion ग्रोथ को देखा, इट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क. सो आई ऑलवेज से टू माई चिल्ड्रन, सक्सेस इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. आज मैं इस जगह पे बैठ के ये नहीं कह सकता हूँ कि आई डिड दिस थिंग. इट्स अ वेरी ईगो, इट्स अ वेरी सेल्फिश कमेंट, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फैमिली. हो सकता है कि मेरे यहाँ पे एक ऑफिस में काम करने वाला शख्स होगा, खुदा को उसको देना हो तो उसकी दुआ से मैं उसका जरिया बन रहा हूँ. So I should never underestimate any of my employees, any of my suppliers. It's a contribution.
Over time, the business was already flourishing, proudly carried forward by his sons. But for Imtiaz, the youngest of his 6 sons, had to carve out his own way to prove his mettle and to find his place in a family business.
I was the most unemployed person in my family where there was no need.
आप सबसे छोटे हैं.
मैं सबसे
घर
छोटा
में.
हूँ.
और जो सबसे छोटे होते हैं, मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ अपने परिवार में और मुझे लगता है बहुत पैम्पर्ड हूँ सबसे छोटी होने की वजह से.
No, for me, I will be very frank. I just imagine a boy with a BBA degree. When I came over there, I was not having any place from where I should start. And what should I start? I gone to my father. I told my father that I want to join the business. So my father said, "Okay, I will open a shop for you in Murshid Bazaar." So we have opened a wholesale shop. It's a normal wholesale shop. He just gave me the key. Okay, and he told me this is your shop, buy the product from my company and prove yourself. आज हम दुबई को ब्रांड समझ रहे हैं. उस वक्त तो दुबई का प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल करना, मैं खुद जाता था डिफरेंट एग्जीबिशन में, and when I used to say that this product belongs to Dubai, they used to laugh at us. Paris is a market, XYZ is a market, and you are coming from Dubai. तो मेरे फादर ने उस वक्त एक प्रोडक्ट निकाला जिसका नाम था ब्लू लेडी, and that product he wrote made in Dubai, UAE. देखिए थॉट प्रोसेस देखिए, लोग रखते हैं कंट्री का नाम मेड इन यूएई, बट ही वाज सो कॉन्फिडेंट कि ये कंट्री जरूर आगे बढ़ेगी.
बिल्कुल.
तो उन्होंने रखा मेड इन दुबई यूएई, एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बाय यूजिंग दैट मेड इन दुबई वी हैव रियली गॉट अ वेरी हाई प्रिविलेज फ्रॉम द रॉयल फैमिली. दे हैव एक्सेप्टेड अस कि यस यू पीपल हैव डन समथिंग ग्रेट. सो व्हाटएवर द क्लाइंट यूज्ड टू कम टू मी, बट दे सेड नो, हमें वो ओरिजिनल दुकान से लेना है, ओल्ड दुकान से लेना है. सो इवन आई ट्राइड माय बेस्ट, बट इट वाज अ फैमिली बिजनेस. सो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू थिंक आप यहाँ से लो या यहाँ से लो, कंपनी को बेनिफिट होना चाहिए. अब कुछ टाइम के बाद मुझे भी सफोकेशन होने लगी. अब मेरी सबसे बड़ी सफोकेशन ये होगी कि मेरे जो दोस्त मेरे साथ निकलते थे, आपको पता है, तो मजाक करते थे मेरी, तुम तो यहाँ पे हो, हम तो ऑफिस में बैठते हैं. लाइक यू आर सिटिंग इन द शॉप, आई एम सिटिंग इन द ऑफिस. वेल इट डजंट मेक्स मी एनी डिफरेंट, बट आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड से टू माय फादर, प्लीज कैन यू जस्ट थिंक समथिंग मोर फॉर मी. Really, कुछ जगह पे मुझे कुछ कहना हो, लेकिन I have to be quiet. लेकिन I used to speak with my father. My father was a strict person. Strict means he was a disciplined person. So I always used to go and share my complaints with him. I'm not really able to perform myself. Then he gave me a second task. I don't know with whom he consulted. He gave me a few shop as an area manager. You know, that was not me. So I would like to send those children a message. आपके father आपके दोस्त है, आप उनसे मत डरिए, नॉक करें, उनसे बात करें. उनसे अच्छी बात कोई नहीं सुन सकता है. लेकिन मेरी कैपेबिलिटी नहीं थी और एबिलिटी नहीं थी कि मैं उनसे 1-to-1 रह के बात कर सकता हूँ.
यार रिस्पेक्ट इतनी थी कि आप खुलकर बात
नहीं कर सकता था. तो हर दफ़ा में मुझे स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता था, हर दफ़ा. डैड आई वांट टू डू दिस, फिर वो सोच के जवाब दे. हमारी एक बुस्तान सेंटर हुआ करती थी नियर गिसेज, बर्जुमान सेंटर हुआ करती है, फिर सिटी सेंटर थी उस वक्त दुकान. So couple of shop, I just used to move around. Honestly, मैं कभी उस काम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखा पाया. आपको कहे कि क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि वो मेरा पोर्टफोलियो नहीं था. अब मैंने फिर डैड को जाके कहा, अब ये हो गया कि मैं कंप्लेंट्स बहुत करता हूँ. अब डैड मेरी आप शादी करा रहे हो, मैं किसी का जिम्मेदार बनने वाला हूँ, so I have to do something. So now based on that, I got transferred from area supervisor to my factory. अब जब मैं फैक्ट्री में गया, फिर मेरा वही हायरार्की का चैलेंज. I remember I used to do the logistic. Just feel a person graduate, a person who has given his life. People कहते हैं ना गोल्डन स्पून. मैं उन लोगों को मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि नहीं समझे, नेपोटिज्म, गोल्डन स्पून और एक न्यू कमर दोनों के अपने चैलेंज है. अब आप बताएं मुझे कौन सी मुझे गोल्डन स्पून मिली, कौन सा मैं नेपोटिज्म वाला किड हूँ जो मुझे बैठे बैठे मुझे लाइफ के अंदर फ्लैटर मिल गया और मैं अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेस हो गया. इट वॉज अ चैलेंज ऑफ माई लाइफ. आई केम टू जबल अली. आई बिकेम अ लॉजिस्टिक गाय, एंटरिंग, अटेंडिंग द एग्जीबिशन. सो देयर कम्स माई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. अब मैंने जब एग्जीबिशन को अटेंड किया, अब मैंने बोला इम्तियाज़, अब नो कंप्लेंट्स, नाउ इट इज़ यू. तुमको लर्न करना है और अपनी लाइफ को अचीव करना है. यू शुड नॉट बी डिपेंडेबल. वो हो गया माशाल्लाह. उस दौरान मैंने एज अ बिजनेस वाइज इन दैट टेन्योर of my life, I have traveled more than 45 countries around the world. And whenever I used to travel, I never used to talk like business. I always used to understand the culture. क्योंकि मैंने अगर अपने पार्टनर्स का कल्चर को समझ लिया ना, business will come automatically. मैं फादर को कहा कि आप मुझे भेज रहे हो सऊदी मार्केट, आप समझ रहे हो कुछ तो मुझे पास टीम आए. जीरो टीम. मैंने एयरपोर्ट पे लैंड किया, जिद्दा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर. अगर आप मुझे ये पूछे कि लेफ्ट जाना था कि राइट जाना था, मुझे वो भी नहीं मालूम. सऊदी इतना टफ मार्केट हुआ है इतना उस टाइम पे कि अगर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मुझे अगर जिद्दा से मक्का जाना है तो भी मुझे परमिशन लेना पड़े.
Did you go complain?
Again I complain. So I hope your viewers should not take me as a Mr. Complain. My name is Imtiaz and my brand name is I am Rasasi. So I got my father. He told me, okay Imtiaz, if you think it's so difficult for you, you can close everything and you can come. And I can say even at that time I have invested couple of millions, but I was not able to get the success. My father just told me one thing, okay, you close that and come back to Dubai. But do one favor for me, go to the market and check around your circle. Is this your problem or is it a consolidated problem? I gone that night to the market, I met a different businessman and everybody was thinking about the same complaint. I came back next day to my father. I told, sorry dad, inshallah after this you will not find me looking back. And that was my time. I swear to my God, I never gone back to my father and ever complained for any of my reason. I have grown Rasasi in Saudi Arabia, 75 showrooms.
Wow.
I was having 425 employees working under me. But you know, फिर वही हो जाती है कि अब मैं नज़र तो नहीं कह सकता हूँ, इतनी कम टाइम पे इतनी बड़ी ग्रोथ, that to an outsider. And my age must be somewhere around 32 over that time, 28 और 32 की एज में मैंने वो सक्सेस को पा लिया. तो मैं अपने आप पे भी ब्लेम करूँगा शायद होती ना कि मैं खुद इस सक्सेस को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाया, तो मैंने अपने आप को बहुत ओपन कर दिया जो शायद दूसरों को पसंद नहीं आई. तो वेयर आई लर्न कि इम्तियाज़ तू हम्बल ना होने की वजह से शायद ये तेरे से प्रॉब्लम हो गई. मुझे बहुत जल्दी भागना था. I'm saying you, I want to get, because that lacking what I was having on the past, I want to cover up in a very short time.
और आपको सऊदी में वो मौका मिला.
Yes, and I did it.
पर क्या फर्क था कंप्लेन करने से पहले और जो आपके फादर ने कहा कि जाकर सबसे पूछ लो, और वो आपका एक टर्निंग पॉइंट जैसे बन गया कि आपने कहा I'm not looking back, और जो मार्केट आपको इतना मुश्किल लग रहा था, वहां पर आपने उस फोन कॉल के बाद उसी मार्केट में 75 स्टोर्स खोल दिया सऊदी में.
One word of my father कि look Imtiaz, I need the money from that blessed place, which is Makkah and Medina. So I know that my father is so religious. I said, Imtiaz, अब तुम्हें अपने father के लिए इस धरती पे रहना. एक वो मेरा emotional touch for my father कि the way he told me कि Imtiaz, now please, I need something from that land.
और उसके बाद जब भी problems आती तब क्या करते?
Then it is only toward the Imtiaz. There was a time, my elder daughter Sarah, and I just want to convey and I just want to tell her that your father was not away from you for 9 years. He was doing something for his father. So even if she might be thinking why my father was not spending the time with me, my wife thinking why I'm not giving so much of time to her. So it was not like I was having a pleasure life in some of the country. It was my hardship, my commitment, my integrity to my father, and I want to fulfill the wish what he has given to me. With every success there is a bitter. It was too quick in the eye of some people. Again, from 75, can you believe I have to cut down my shop to 30. 50% of my shop I have to break.
You said that आप humble अगर होते तो शायद वो ना होता.
Yes.
क्योंकि आप अपनी सक्सेस को संभाल नहीं
पाया मैंने.
और ऐसे बहुत से लोगों के साथ होता है जब वो सक्सेस देख लेते हैं
सही
तब अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं कर
कंट्रोल
पाते।
नहीं पाते।
तो आपका वो जो फेज था
यस,
सक्सेस का,
सक्सेस
क्या
का।
लगता है आपको किस तरह से किसी इंसान को अपनी सक्सेस को हैंडल करना चाहिए जो आप नहीं कर पाए उस वक्त?
मैंने खुद अपने हाथ से अपनी उस सक्सेस को इतना लाउड बता दिया कि मैं लोगों के नज़र में आ गया। तो मैं यही समझूंगा कि जो मेरी फादर की जो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट थी कि उन्होंने बड़े से बड़े काम किए और उन्होंने अपने आप को हमेशा सबमिशन एंड हम्बल रखा। शायद मैंने वो दो मेरे फादर की चीज़ को भूल गया जिसकी वजह से मुझे अपनी लाइफ में वो टर्बुलेंस आया।
Every legacy faces a defining moment. His came when 50 showrooms in Saudi had to shut down. But he didn't give up. He reflected and decided to bounce back. Today, they're back with 50 plus showrooms and 25 more on the way, which shows us that it's never about setbacks, but about comebacks.
But again, the good part about it, I understand, I repent.
Yeah.
I gone to my Lord, I said, okay,
And you
now what?
realized and
And
you're
I
sharing
realized.
today, और I think ऐसा बहुत से लोगों के साथ होता है जो आपकी जर्नी से कुछ सीख सके।
And the biggest setback I ever got is when my father passed away. 2015, the day, August 10th. I cannot forget in my life. Now, I will be coming as Imtiaz Rasasi Group. Why? Because now, this is for me, the heritage, the legacy, what my father is giving, I would like to take it to my next generation. Under Imtiaz Rasasi Group, I will be having my own brands based on a different quadrants.
Congrats, आपने नया ब्रांड शुरू किया
सही,
है,
सही।
I am Rasasi। तो आप
सही।
अगर उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं, कौन सी गैप को ये फिल करता है?
Yes, perfume is an art. It's a science. You will never buy perfume because somebody is giving buy one get two free. तो सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अपने परफ्यूम में जो आज जेंजी क्राउड है, तो मेरे जितने परफ्यूमर्स है, I have my investment in a perfumery factory in south of France, where I have invested into the raw material.
Okay.
So the difference is, first I have taken the Gen Z crowd into my business. They are the perfumer. I try to make them to understand what is I'm Rasasi is offering. So once again, I remember my father thing. If there is a crowd, no matter even if you have a Rolls Royce, you will be in the crowd. So what you should do, you should buy a small engine which can fly. So my DNA of the business is quality, integrity, and a story. So these are the three important things which I will be putting in a perfume. I want my clientele to get an affordable luxury. In my childhood, people used to ask me, who are you? So I used to say them, I am Rasasi. Then I've grown up, people say, who are you? I say, I'm Rasasi. So now when the brand name was coming, I have traveled more than 6 countries. I've met more than 50 intellectual people of the industry. And I told them this issue, how am I going to make my placement? So they told me, first you have to give your identity. So the beautiful name, and please appreciate this name, I came up with the name called I am Rasasi.
Wow, congratulations on
Thank
that.
you very much. I am Rasasi has many meaning. When you will say Rasasi, you will say I am Rasasi. So it's a confidence to my customer that you and me are not parted. It is your Rasasi.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी बॉटल्स है यहाँ पर विद योर ब्रांडिंग आई एम रसासी। इनके अंदर जो परफ्यूम है, क्या कहानी है?
पहले सबसे बड़ी कहानी ये है कि मैंने इसमें जो परफ्यूमर लिया, यंग परफ्यूमर्स को लिया, उसमें ये हो गया कि मेरा स्पेक्ट्रम बड़ा वाइड हो गया कि आई हैव नॉट बीन वर्किंग विद दैट ओल्ड स्टीरियोटाइप काइंड ऑफ अ परफ्यूमर, दे ओनली गिव मी दैट बॉक्स. So here I have taken a very youngsters kind of a perfume. In case if I take this bottle which I made specially dedicated to my daughter, so what was the reason? She told me, Dad, I don't need a packing so bulky. If I go to my uni, my bag doesn't have a place. I need something which is much more moderate, but the perfume should be the important point.
Right.
So here, even the fragrance, what I have taken into it, I have given the age segment. I told my perfumer, okay, I want to make a perfume for a girl who is in the age of 18 to 23. There was a one place I smelled the perfume. But how you will transform that perfume to your perfumer? Here comes the technology. So we have a special machine in our company in my south of France. We took that machine to that place. And that machine has a graphic analysis which says that okay, this environment is having this kind of a chemicals.
Everything into a bottle.
Into a bottle. So perfume is not a perfume. People normally say everybody has come with a perfume. See, it's very easy. What is a perfume? It's a bottle, it's a box.
Yeah.
And a name. What else you can give in a perfume? But when I am Rasasi, when Imtiaz want to give a perfume, it will be a story.
Wow. It's really good.
I want you to welcome you in my beauty world. There's a show which is going to happen in the October. There you will see the launch of I am Rasasi. You are the first person to whom I'm disclosing my whole brand.
Wow.
So it's
Thank you so much. It's an absolute honor.
This one is a story. You know, what's the story? Just try to understand the people who live in a luxury life, the people who have that executive class. What do you think about them? That the first thing when you see they are in their chartered plane,
Yeah.
they have a champagne glass or a champagne bottle. So I captured for those class into my design. So here it's a glass of a champagne and here it's a bottle. Can you smell the tobacco note? The boozy note?
I do.
The alcoholic note?
Absolutely.
It takes you to the clubbing. You see the detail what we have come up with this thing. That is very important. And that is called the AI. You know what we talk about, how we are going to use the AI in the perfume business. So I would like to tell to my audience, this AI is not a mechanical or a engineering. We have to do a lot of work to bring the perfume to the execution. And then comes, you know, packing is also the king. So when
this actually looks like a
the liquor.
like a yeah,
it's a liquor box.
like a whiskey bottle.
Like a whiskey bottle. When everything came over here, now comes the fragrance. Okay?
It's very interestingly designed.
Thank you very much. Thanks so very much. I have taken some of the non-alcoholic drinks and I tried to step it up. Believe me, my sugar level has gone more than 300, I would say. I came up with this note.
Like a champagne?
Yes, you're totally right. It's a champagne. Yes, it's a champagne with
like
an
a
apple.
rosé.
Rosé. These are the detailing which you have to give in your perfume.
तो अगर किसी को परफ्यूम लेनी हो
सही.
तो उसे क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए?
What time of a day you are going to use the perfume? You can't take a marine note and you can wear in the evening. It will never go up. You have to understand what is your time of wearing the note. If you're going for an evening wear, it has to be more opaque.
Right.
It should be more darker. And if you're going for a morning time, it has to be more clear, more soothing, because you wake up early in the morning, your senses are not yet been holding you up.
तो कोई है ऐसी परफ्यूम जो 24 घंटे चले?
अगर है तो मुझे आप दे दें और कोई अगर भेज रहा है तो मुझे आप बताएं, मैं उसका टेस्ट कर लूं.
कितने घंटों तक चल सकती है अच्छी परफ्यूम?
अच्छी परफ्यूम. First, again, then it depends all upon the environment. I am in Dubai, 50+ degree. यहाँ पे तो अच्छे से अच्छा परफ्यूम भी लिक्विड बन जाता है. So you all have to depend whether you are working indoor, whether you are working in outdoor, what is your body temperature. It's a combination of everything. But if you ask me in a jets, there's a 3-note, top, middle and bottom. If you are using a marine note, it will not last more than 3 to 4 hours in terms of the first and the second note. So it all varies. But a good perfume can last between 6 hours plus minus.
किस तरह से पता चल सकता है कि कौन सी परफ्यूम फेक है और कौन सी ओरिजिनल है?
Well said. Then you have to be a perfumer like me.
मतलब इतना मुश्किल है.
इतना मुश्किल है ये.
एंड क्या आपको लगता है कि हर इंसान की अपनी एक परफ्यूम ट्रेडमार्क होनी चाहिए कि मेरे लिए ये है और वो 2-3 मिक्स कर होनी चाहिए और वन ऑफ दीज बॉटल्स इज गुड इनफ?
No, you have a liberty. You have a liberty. It's your call. I do my perfume, believe me, the way I do. I take my jacket, I put the perfume 1, 2, 3, 4 and I just mix it. And when I go outside, it comes a different blend. It's like a rainbow.
तो मुझे अगर आप बताएं, क्या एक फ्रेग्रेंस, एक खुशबू किसी का मूड या डिसीजन इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकती है?
Yes, certainly. You wear the right fragrance and you see the other person should tell you positivity about yourself. And you wear the wrong perfume, you will destroy the whole business.
Really?
It happens with me a lot of time because I come from an Oriental culture, and when I used to travel to the European country, I used to wear those Oriental hard fragrance like amber, oud, and everything. It used to disturb the people surrounding me.
So is price always a reflection of quality of a perfume?
Yes, people do have this thing. People think the most expensive price means the most valuable perfume. But when I told you about I am Rasasi, the specialize is the perfume is expensive, but I am trying to absorb all the costs because I told you my DNA is value fashion, affordable luxury.
कितने pumps लगाने चाहिए perfume के so it lasts you a decent time? Skin पर लगाना चाहिए या perfume कपड़ों पर?
I don't think as in 3 to 4 is a maximum.
Really?
Yeah, 3
because
to 4.
I've seen people go all over their body.
If a good quality of a perfume is there, 4 is maximum.
4 pumps is good enough.
Good enough for
Right.
at least to last for 3 to 4 hours.
कितनी perfumes आपने launch किए under I am Rasasi?
I have launched 6 story. First time ever, people are saying that I've launched a story.
Okay.
Normally, people used to say we have launched 50 SKU. So I
Right.
told you, I'm not a gambler.
Right.
I'm an entrepreneur. So I'm launching a story. With the story, each story will be having only 2 SKU. Because I don't know whether my love story, whether my science fiction story, or whether my commercial, or whether my floral, which story will come up in the market.
इम्तियाज, इट्स बीन वंडरफul टॉकिंग टू यू.
Thank
इतना
you
कुछ
very
सीखने मिला आपसे परफ्यूम्स के बारे में,
सही.
और मैंने तो एक्सपीरियंस किया है. इट्स रियली रियली नाइस. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गेट माय हैंड्स ऑन दीस
Thank you very
बॉटल्स
much,
as soon as
yeah.
you launch them.
Definitely. No, for you, you will be the first person to whom I'm going to give the perfume.
Oh, I'm honored. Thank
Really?
you so much.